Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, I'm out here this morning practicing with the solar fire roll dispenser, sunshine optional. And there is no sunshine right now. There will be none today because it's actually sprinkling a little bit. So the fire rolls that I have in here are cotton with ashes on the inside, but there's also ashes on the outside. As a matter of fact, the cotton is impregnated with ashes through and through. So therefore, when the sun is out, you can take and ignite the outside of it and you'll have the ash to tinder effect, and the ember will take right off. But since we have no sunshine today, let's go ahead and just try it the regular way for fire roll. This is a fat wood bearing block I'll be using for the top board. And as usual, you always want to keep rolling until you see smoke coming out. If you don't see smoke coming off it, go right back immediately as quickly as you can and roll it some more. Alright y'all, you might want to try making you up one of these. I found this beer can on the side of the road and I used aluminum polish to get that solar igniter on the bottom. So you're good whether the sun is out or not. Thanks for joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.